In previous lessons, we have talked about exception handling and how to deal with problems that may occur during our program's execution. So, an exception, in and of itself, a definition, an exception is a problem that happens during code execution at runtime. And the name exception comes from the fact that although a problem can occur, it should occur infrequently, right? An exception to the norm. And so we want to learn how exception handling can allow us to create applications that handle these exceptions, in many cases, allowing our program to continue executing as if there were no problems encountered. So, more severe problems may prevent a program from continuing normal execution instead of requiring the program to notify the user of a problem and then just terminate in a controlled manner. We never want our applications to just crash. But sometimes we want to be able to communicate with the user in an appropriate manner. What's going on? What's happened? Why is this not working? So we want to learn how to create what we can think of as robust or fault tolerant programs. And so these are programs that are able to deal with problems that may arise while your code is executing and continue that execution without um, minimal interference to the user's ability to use your program. So we're going to look at some exception handling concepts and basic exception handling techniques using various types of built-in exceptions and the try-catch block, which allows us to get a hold of problems as they're arising and be able to handle those in a graceful manner. As you move through this section of the lessons, I'm going to demonstrate a part of the exception handling mechanism that enables a program to use a resource and then guarantee it will be released for use by other programs, even if an exception occurs, which is something we definitely have to think about. If we have resources open, we do not want them to continue to be open, hogging up memory, or being held up from being accessed by another application if something should go wrong with ours. So looking at the .NET class system.exception, which is the base class for all of our exception classes, we're going to discuss how to create and use the different exception classes or even make your own.